Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is NABILAH HUDA and now I'm gonna present Chapter 3, Communication Ethics. So, what do you know about ethics? Actually, ethics is a field where we study what is right and wrong, good and bad. While morality is the actual behavior and beliefs that people have in their daily lives. So, morality is actually what ethics studies. And what we will learn from this chapter is all about business. So, business morality is the focus of business ethics. There are 3 levels of inquiry in business ethics, which is individual, organization, and business system. This indicates that business ethics is a multi-level issue. For decision making, there are 3 views, which is legal point of view, economic point of view, and moral point of view. These elements are available to assist business communicators and others who make business decisions. Some experts in business ethics suggest using an integrated approach when making decisions. This means considering moral, economic, and legal factors together. By doing this, companies can find solutions that are both ethical and profitable. At the same time, they are also following the law. Next, we move on to the nature of moral judgment. It is divided into 2 parts, which is normative judgment and moral judgment. It is basically about the expression what is good or bad for a company. Distinguishing characteristic of moral principles. There are 4 points here, which is they have potentiality, serious consequences to human well-being. Their validity rests on the adequacy of the reasons that are used to support and justify them. The third one is they override self-interest, and the last one is they are based on impartial considerations. From here, we know that moral standard is a compass for us when decisions have to be made. Next, there are 4 resources for decision making, which are observations, assumptions, value judgments, and proposals. Here are the similarities and differences between 4 of them. Next, we move on to the making moral judgment. Moral judgment seems to depend on decision makers having and using 4 separate capacities, which are ethical sensibility, ethical reasoning, ethical conduct, and ethical leadership. It is a must for every company to applying ethical standards to management communication. Companies aim to communicate ethically, but they often struggle due to various reasons in the aspect of profit, and they fail to achieve the ethical standards. So, a formal statement of ethical principles is important for showing that a company takes its values seriously. It's like setting the ground rules for how everyone should behave. They are important because they guide how everyone in the company behaves and helps create a good work environment. There are 5 points here. The first one is the types of ethical statements. They include value statements, corporate credos, and corporate codes of ethics. The second one is tension and ethical values. In business, different values often clash, creating tension for managers. The third one is the value of corporate values. Next is how ethical statements can help. They can raise awareness, creating expectation, and encourage discussions about the importance of ethics throughout the company. And finally, the last one is how to make ethical statements work. Write it, tailor it, communicate it, promote it, revise it, live it, and the last one is enforce it. To conclude, when it comes to business, both ethics and communication are like best friends. It is essential to the success of any business and at the heart of how human beings interact with another one. So that's all from me. Thank you.